Good morning. I'm having a bit of a lie-in this morning. Usually I'm up around 6 with the sunrise, on my way a couple of hours later, but maybe because it was a bit cooler last night and the sun isn't nearly so harsh this morning, I'm enjoying taking it easy this morning, and it's a gorgeous spot, so no rush.
Like that.
The one mosque I passed this morning was locked, so I neglected to fill it with water, and now it feels a little bit remote. There's a mosque in 10 k's and I have about 750 millilitres of water, so hopefully this next one's open. I've noticed a clanking above 40 on the downhills, and there seems to be some wiggle. The hub isn't even 20,000 kilometers old, so I'm going to be disappointed if that's the problem. Is this bit supposed to move? I don't remember this bit moving before. Between here and here, which is... Can you see it? The 19,000 kilometer old dynamo hub.
Like that.
Between my late start this morning and then fretting about getting a new dynamo hub, I've only got 2 hours of daylight left. I don't feel like I've accomplished anything, so I'm going to have a quick spin around Ras-Al-Hadd and then go and see about camping on a beach. Preferably one with turtles nearby. You're not allowed to camp with the turtles, obviously. Found an open one with more fun ladders up turrets to clamber up and explore.
Like that.
I'm not sure of the distinction between restored and building a whole new fort, but in any case, I really like it. It's beautiful. It's just very hard to imagine that it's 400 years old. I guess restored just means a different thing in Oman than it does to Europe. I should be less Eurocentric. The sign at the entrance said no camping on the shores of nesting turtles. It's fair enough. So as long as I stay off the shore, near these little houses, that's okay, right? Also, the sun has already set, so don't have a lot of choices at this point, but I don't want to be disrespectful of any turtles. Here's me worried about not disturbing turtles, and the sea is full of plastic. But I've just spotted these holes on the beach. Okay, here's my justification. The turtles aren't going to come over this wall, and there's lots of houses and cars and people playing football over here. So I think this is the dividing line between good and evil, right? All these turtle-sized holes on the beach. Wow! If I see some turtles from behind my wall. gosh, I'm so proud of myself. I just met the nice ladies that live here, and I went over to introduce myself, answered the normal questions, mostly through mime, but when they asked if I needed food, I was able to say in Arabic, no, I have food, which I think is la adi elako. At least they smiled and understood. I think I just communicated for the first time in Arabic something other than hello, goodbye, yes, no. It's a good day. Wow.
And now let's